A Canada Defence Company Guide. Chapter 1. Lists of Canadian Aerospace Defence Companies. The Canadian aerospace defence industry at ised-isde.canada.ca/site/aerospace-defence/en. Lots of info at this government website. Canadian Aerospace Defence Company websites. 3m.ca, aaeltd.com, abagroupinc.com, abaterospace.com, abipa.com, ubmast.com, acrolab.com, acrsystems.com, acs-composites.com, activemetalfinishing.com, adgia.ca, adgia.ca/en/home.html, adlinsolflex.com, adputer.com, adt.ca, advancedceramics.ca, advancedcompositestraining.ca, advancedio.com, advancedpowders.com, advancedprecision.ca, advanceengineeredproducts.com, adviantechwireless.com, adventurelights.com, aerocopter.ca, aerodome.aero, aeronautical.aero, aeronavygroup.com, aeropol.com, aeroecip.com, aerospaceBizDev.com, aerospacewelding.com, aerosphere.ca, aerostudies.com, aerotechengines.ca, aerotechmfg.com, aint.com, airbasecanada.com, airborne.com, airborneengines.com, airborne-sys.com, airbossdefense.com, airbus-group.com, airbushelicopters.ca, aircraftms.com, airdata.ca, airgroundequipment.com, airnav.ca, airsuppertincture.net, airtechcanada.com, airtrav.ca, alft.com, a-linetool.com, allcustomgasket.com, all-sourceheating.com, alphacasting.com, alpineaerotech.com, alplastics.ca, altire.com, altaprecision.com, alternatives-tech.com, ameriex.com, amloceanographic.com, ampuremetal.com, amphenolcanada.com, amsynth.com, amtech-group.com, amtekcdn.com, anakchemia.com, analysisworks.com, analyticsystems.com, anotecanodizing.com, ansl.ca, apexindustries.com, apexprecision.ca, applin9.com, appleexpress.com, appspacesoul.com, arcinnovations.net, arcticovers.ca, argare.com, archipelago.com, armament.com, arnpriaaerospace.com, arnscott.com, array.ca, artmetco.com, asaalloys.com, ascentbridge.com, asco.be, ascsignal.com, ashford.ca, aciiweb.com, asbaircraftstructures.com, assystem.com/en/home.html, astrocom.ca, astronics.com, atcozel.com, atddesign.ca, ateliertac.com, atlanticcompressedair.ca, atlantisSC.com, odercom.com, origa.on.ca, autindustries.com, automaticcoating.com, au-zone.com, avcorp.com, avenza.com, Aversaand.com, Avianer.com, Avionicsdesign.ca, Avion-tech.com, Avier.ca, Avko.ca, avr-global.com/en, avtecero.com, avwind.ca, awardrubber.com, axiomatic.com, axisproto.com, barday.com, bellhelicopter.com, biokinetics.com, blastanalysis.com, bonuspraying.ca, bombardier.com, bubbletech.ca, cabledist.com, cac.ca, kdex.com, kalian.com, camtag.com, canzc.com, careercompasscanada.com, cbnco.com, cdlsystems.com, ce3electronics.com, certicom.com, chesaronitech.com, chc.ca, clearmark.com, cmcelectronics.ca, cmrsummit.com, coldcanada.com, comdevinternational.com, commutron.ca, compositesatlantic.com, computerolfuel.com, contrailconsulting.com, cormeraerospace.com, cowan.ca, crestlinecoach.com, crim.ca, crossmatch.com, crovencrystals.com, cullendiesel.com, cvds.com, cwcembedded.com, cyclonemfg.com, dartero.com, dasgosterage.com, davy.ca, davis-eng.com, davisamachineco.com, davwire.com, dbcmarine.com, doengineering.com, dopeker.com, dpl.ca, drager.ca, drs.com, dummerindustries.com, easternreinforcing.ca, mcoN.com, enduron.net, escreen.com, esit.com, esitechnologies.com, esri.ca, es-web.com, ewa-canada.com, excelitas.com, fag.com, felfab.com, firewall.ca, fleetech.com, flightcraft.ca, foundryafpw.com, frecomposites.com, freewebs.com/aceconsulting, frozendirt.com, ftgcorp.com, full-lotus.com, gasmonitors.com, gastops.com, gdcanada.com, gd-otscanada.com, gd-otscanada.com, generalkinetics.com, gi-de.com, globalaerospace.com, globalte.com, goodrich.com, groupocean.com, guardiantelecom.com, halifaxgroup.com, hansfireworks.com, harborind.com, herculeslr.com, hermanelson.com, herudevtech.com, honeywell.com, hovey.ca, hubble.com, humanzeast.com, hyperenetics.ltd.com, icpink.com, imaging.braco.com, imagotrackers.com, impathnetworks.com, impgroup.com, imtcorporation.com, industrialrubber.ca, infinity-outdoor.com, innotech-execaire.com, innovacorp.ca, instantel.com, instarumar.com, internationalsafety.com, inukton.com, irdeto.com, irdinc.com, irvingshipbuilding.com, ise.bc.ca, itselectronics.com, jamesdawson.com, jsitelecom.com, kabalodging.com, kcom.com, knudsenengineering.com, kongsberggallium.com, l-3com.com, l-3es.com, lakefrontmfg.com, leica-geosystems.com, lidos.ca, lincolnfabrics.com, magellan.aero, magellanaerospace.com, marchnetworks.com, mackayempire.com, mdacorporation.com, micronsecurityproducts.com, microwaysystems.com, milquip.com, mobile-knowledge.com, mpb-technologies.ca, mrel.com, msasafety.com, mtucanada.com, mustangzor6val.com, mxi.com, nanowavetech.com, nbcdefense.net, ndt.ca, neptech.com, norleanstech.com, natra.ca, novacromachininginc.com, nray.ca, nsero.com, newtechcanada.com, optech.com, orcatron.com, packsafety.com, pommy.ca, patlon.com, pcigeomatics.com, pedlex.com, pedco.com, pivotalpower.com, pmparts.com, precimold.com, precisionelectronics.com, presagis.com, presentty.com, proparms.com, punda.com, pwc.ca, raytheon.ca, rheinmetall.ca, r-metrics.com, rnichols.com, rohde-schwarz.com, rolls-royce.com, rostar.ca, rudder.ca, sobgroup.com, safenet-inc.com, safetyclothincanada.com and a profile ID equals 2056, sbccase.com, scepter.ca, scintrex.ltd.com, sccuresearchinc.com, securetechnologies.ca, sensoft.ca, senstar.com, shawtracking.ca, shellcast.com, secomsystems.com, sil.sk.ca, cylinis.com, simexdefense.com, skylingcaviation.com, smithsdetection.com, solicom.com, saucybaron.com, soucy-group.com, stanleycss.com, steadfast.com, stellite.com, tdm.ca, te.com, techniprotis.com, tecmotive.com, tecoprecision.com, teledyndalsa.com, thalesgroup.com/Canada, thermo.com, thermodyne.ca, thermogenicsboilers.com, thortonbearings.com, tiger-vac.com, triumphgroup.com, tslaerospace.com, tulmer.com, tycois.ca, ultra-ms.com, ultra-tcs.com, usinagepro24.com, utcaerospacesystems.com, vacaero.com, vacdev.com, valcommfg.ca, vectoraerospace.com, sixkingair.com, weatherhaven.com, weescam.com, westernavionics.com, whitesdigital.ca, world-aviation.ca, xepos.com, zodiacmillpro.com, Canadian Military Supplier Company websites, hamiltongear.com, sedsystems.ca, edgewater.ca, enscoavionics.ca, 3ds.com, 4pipelines.com, abitibihelicopters.com, adobe.com, adria-mfg.ca, aecom.ca, aero.ca, a-fsc.com, airsatori.com, airsensing.com, ajpengineering.ca, alcoa.com, all-can.com, allianceworldtransport.com, alliedship.com, almactank.com, alta.ws, ambutech.com, mcoe.com, amlwireless.com, apollomw.com, aquacoop.com, arch-fabg.com, armored-cars.com, auscenco.com, autometers.com, avaerocouncil.ca, aviation.technomuses.ca, axer.com, babcockcanada.com, bandengeo.com, baracci.com, barrodale.com, basemap.ca, baseng.com, battlefield.biz, bc-instruments.com, bcsautomation.ca, bearskinairlines.com, beavermanufacturing.com, becklandstamping.ca, b5.net, bealtech.com, beg-law.com, bellairaviation.com, belial.info, bellshiretechnologies.com, benmachine.com, bereskinpar.com, berg-group.com, bestch.com, betteruniversityursel.com, billetprecision.ca, bimetalink.com, bio-lubcanada.com, biztech.com, blackandmcdonald.com, blacklinemarine.com, bladesaviation.com, blimpguys.com, bluedarop.com, blueforceglobal.com, bluelinealarm.ca, blueskink.ca, bluewaterheater.com, blwtl.uwo.ca, bmpsandblasting.com, boeing.ca, bomas.ca, bonzatraining.com, boracare.com, borakltd.com, bpa.ca, bpr.ca, bracewellmarinegroup.com, bramptonnameplate.com, brantaro.com, breckbuell.ca, brick.ca, berecon.com, bristolplating.com, br-machine.com, brocksolutions.com, bronzeworkgroup.com, brt-solutions.com, bsigroup.ca, btocanada.com, builditsoftware.com, bureauveritas.com, businesscare.ca, c3hf.com, c4ic.com, cadorath.com, cadworks.ca, calconsulting.ca, cal-matrix.com, camatech.ca, camcentral.net, camcarindustries.com, canadatowers.com, canadianbearings.com, canadiandefensereview.com, canadianhelicopters.com, CanadianPropeller.com, Canadian Society for Quality.ca, CanaIrmo.com, CanalGeomatics.com, CanamExcom.com, CanamProtection.com, CandaM.com, CanevasDesign.ca, CanRep.com, CantCsystems.com, CantQtelecom.com, CanTraniCS.com, CanWestAerospace.com, CapetownComputing.com, CaptCanada.com, CapTCAmericas.com, Carbide.ca, Caribou.ca, Carillon.ca, Caris.com, Cardinavy.com, CascadeAerospace.com, CasibaNK.com, CavalierAviation.com, Seaborn.ca, C-comsat.com, C-core.ca, CCRHRE.com, CCRProcessProducts.com, CDNAero.com, CEDalma.com/en, CEGEPmontpetit.ca, CEL-AEROSPACE.ca, Celeries.ca, CentennialCollege.ca, CENTRA-IND.com, CenterWindTerrinatsi.com, CFC.aero, CFNconsultants.com, CFNprecision.com, CFTcanada.com, CGG.com/airborne, CGI.com, ChampionProducts.com, CHCComposites.ca, Chemposite.com, Chemk.com, Chengrope.ca, CherneyAKSoftware.com, ChinookHelicopters.com, Chipworks.com, ChromaCanada.com, CIMA.ca, CIMTech.com, CIMTechsIndustries.com, CircuitTech.com, ClearlyInsightTip.com, CMacan.ca, CMIHigh.com, CMPDifference.com, CMTIGroup.com, CNC.bc.ca, CNTRline.com, CoastalPacific.com, CodingCanada.com, Cogint.ca, CohortsEast.com, ColesAssociates.com, Colino.net, CollinsSafety.ca, ComLab.com, ComLoopTechnology.com, CommercialAviation.ca, Commutator.ca, ComNav.com, ComplexBM.com, CompositesBHS.com, ComTechAdvanced.com, COMunicatus.com, ConquerMold.com, ConfederationC.on.ca, Consolair.ca, con-space.com, ContiXCanada.com, ControlFireSystems.com, coordinate-industries.com, CormerDefense.com, CowlsonGroup.com, CPCanada.com, CPGear.com, CPGGroup.com, CPII.com, CPMolds.com, CPTech.ca, CrabAppleMedia.ca, CRDDistribution.ca, CRDEV.com, CreationTech.com, CrispIndustries.co, CrossLinkTech.com, CROSSWIND-CONSULTING.com, Cryotron.com, CSC.com, CSIScreening.com, CSlabs.com, CSWorldCargo.com, CTSComposites.com, CTsystems.ca, CustomsTLMFG.com, CuttingGEIndustries.ca, CuttingGEMFG.com, CVETpower.com, CWBgroup.org, CWControls.com, CWSD.com, cyprusleadership.com, dac.ca, dari.com, danielleofnormandy.com, diascodata.com, data.dna.com, dataintegrityinstitute.com, dataperceptions.com, dbhs.ca, dbka.ca, dc2go.ca, d-dairandhydraulic.com, deboltdata.com, deepdevelopmentcorp.com, deeptrekker.com, deepvision.ca, dagelman.com, deccanada.com, delastec.com, delcom.ca, demers-ambulances.com, design1st.com, designlore.com, desystems.com, detec-rad.com, deviltech.ca, diagramanalysis.com, debold.com, digitalprecision.ca, diligence.com, discountavionics.com, discoveryair-ts.com, discovery-precis.com, diversitech.ca, dlcustom.com, dmg-inc.ca, dominus.ca, doriclenses.com, doughtye3.ca, dpcast.com, drakeinternational.com, drgengineering.com, drivewisesafety.com, dslengineeringinc.ca, dssaviation.com, duma-eng.com, duni.ca, durasystems.com, dvcompressors.com, dynamicair-shelters.com, dyplex.com, emballages-citadins.com, emteq.com, engineersmachinyshop.ca, envirociominc.com, executive.org, fabertech.ca, fastcomposites.ca, fastxloops.com, fastlaneamericas.com, fast-rescue.com, fdccomposites.com, federalmarshalsservice.com, phoenixtactical.com, frx.com, fibrotech.com, fielddavy.com, fieldworker.com, filaageinternational.com, firstaidtrainingcenter.ca, firstreference.com, fiscofiltration.com, flatfreetire.ca, fleet.ca, fleetway.ca, flexibulb.com, flexrite.com, flightscape.com, flocker.ca, flygfc.com, flyht.com, flyingcolorscorp.com, flyzifc.ca, flyvfc.com, footagetools.com, formix.on.ca, fpitx.com, freeforcing.com, frontline-robotics.com, frpd.com, frpsolutions.com, fsa-arch.qc.ca, fsc.ca, fujitsu.com/ca, fusionweldworks.ca, futureshealed.com, futurevehicletechnologies.com, galaviation.ca, gateway-group.com, gcmtech.ca, ge.com/ca, geckoalliance.com, gemairc.com, geminigassprings.com, generaltd.com, generationpv.com, genidist.com, genomic.ca, gentner.ca, geocities.com/ldr-nicov, geodysseygroup.com, geoexpressinternational.com, geonics.com, georf.com, geosoft.com, geozeast.ca, ges-environment.ca, ges-int.com, gfi.ca, giantcontainersales.com, gjbconsulting.com, gkpconsultants.ca, gladstoneac.com, glassessential.com, glchemtec.ca, globallab.com, globalskills.com, globallyhertz.com, gloss-meters.com, gprc.ab.ca, giraficessentials.com, Grande Prairie Airport.com, gravurelaser.ca/en/home.html, grcanada.com, greatnorthtech.com, greatslaveheli.com, greenlightsinc.ca, greenmountainaviation.com, greyowl.com, grondair.qc.ca, grote.com, groupcm.com, groupe-ddm.com, groupimeco.com, groupsem.com, growthworks.ca, gryphung.com, gsci1.com, gtmaf.com, gttonset.com, guildline.com, highvision.com, hammondpowersolutions.com, handycare.ca, handling.com, harris.com/atc, hartwig-fuelcell.com, harvan.com, hbint.ca, hcllogistics.ca, hypalex.com, helicopterscanada.com, helijet.com, helitradesinc.com, hemispheregnss.com, hewitt.ca, hfipyrotechnics.com, highland.ca, highlinemfg.com, hilltap.com, his.ca, hightechlogistic.com, hkstrategies.ca, hline.com, hopero.com, horizonaircraft.com, horvathid.com, hpglimited.com, hsheat.com, hsi.ca, hsrework.com, htsc.ca, humphrey-aircraft.com, hydac.ca, hydrofab.com, hydromac.ca, iascanada.com, ibcworld.net, icam.com, icomproductions.ca, icsavionics.ca, icsenggroup.com, edainc.com, idenco.com, idgotomarket.com, idscorporation.com/na, idsuperstore.com, iecholden.com, ieco.ca, iesl.com, igotech.ca, ilps.com, imarketmarine.com, imbcblowmolding.com, imenggroup.com, immervision.com, impactcases.com, impactmachinery.com, imperialoil.ca, imprimary-maxime.ca, imsm.com, imt.ca, imtbc.com, industrialsheypanform.com, industriesgrc.com, inertiaengineering.com, infonet-tech.com, infusionsystems.com, ingrobotic.com, incasarmored.com, innovatechgroup.com, innovationcenter.ca, innovationmaritime.ca, inno6tech.com, ino.ca, incitavionics.com, inspira.ab.ca, instadesign.com, instrumentscanada.com, intero.net, integraN.com, integratedsoft.com, integrity-locksmith.net, intelcan.com, intelleview.ca, interalia.com, interarmored.com, intercononline.com, intergraph.ca, inter-op.ca, intertech.com, interlocktools.com, inurv.com, invenzun.com, investhk.gov.hk, irdbalancing.com, irq.ca, iridian.ca, irvingshipbuilding.com, islengineering.com, isonerm.com, isys-group.com, itcompass.com, itlink.com, itrace.com, 9tiram.com, jobsite.ca, cavski.com, celticmarine.com, keops.com, kertrain.com, kesl.com, kalingo.com, kingtree.ca, kitchenerero.com, kjlasermicromachining.com, kkprecision.com, kktools.com, climber.com, km.kongsberg.com, comnetworks.com, konecranes.ca, kongsbergautomotive.com, kosaerospace.com, kpmg.ca, l-3com.com/mas, labm2m.com, laflamme-ing.com, landondcinstruments.com, lansdowne.com, lapp-hancock.ca, laptech.com, larochelle.ca, lasermetalprofiles.com, laserprecisionengraving.com, laughatyourselffirst.com, laurentidaviation.com, lawsonproducts.com, legoplating.com, lengineeringservices.ca, lhmtech.com, liberdye.com, lightsource.ca, lightsquared.com, linetechequipment.com, lionbridge.com, llmaritime.com, lockheedmartin.ca, lowarchitects.ca, lostdata.ca/en, lpfast.com, lpscanada.com, lucidream.com, lumarmachining.com, lumicizion.com, liartech.com, m2s.ca, macfab.ca, macromulesgroup.com, magpowersystems.com, machethingshapin.net, maliindustries.com, manic.ca, managingeourasets.com, monascisaac.com, mansur.com, mandbmag.com, maps.l-3com.com, marconintl.com, marinvent.com, maritimeway.ca, marquez.ca, marshalladg.ca, martc.com, martechholdings.com, mastershop.ca, matrixtechnology.ca, matrox.com, maverickinspection.com, maverickmachining.com, maashi.net, maxcraft.ca, maxd.com, mayahtt.com, maziro.com, mc-cm.com, mcquestmarine.com, mde-canada.com, mdicanada.ca, mdprecision.ca, mdsaero.ca, mdslimited.ca, mikachrome.com, mikaer.com, mectronics.com, media-redaktica.com, megitcanada.com, megittrainingsystems.com, melokiinc.com, melrosechem.com, memtronic.com, Miliequivalente.com, Mercoindustries.com, Meridiansurveys.ca, Mesotech.ca, Metafoam.com, Metalliumresources.com, meta-mvs.com, Metaplast.ca, Metcoar.biz, Methodinnovates.com, Metso.com, mfc.nb.ca, mglonic.com, microliene.com, microacoustic.com, micrologic.ab.ca, microlienxsystems.com, micromovers.com, micropilot.com, microvideo.ca, mecapital.com, milestoneleasing.com, millbrookcanada.ca, millrail.com, miniqt.com, mintact.com, mitectelecom.com, mkds-training.com, mluniform.com, mm-a.com, mmarquee.qc.ca, mmmgrouplimited.com, mncconsultinggroup.com, modeltech.com, moderneng.com, modesttree.com, monarchindustries.com, monkrife.com, moody-systems.com, moog.com/marine, morrisonhirschfield.com, motionfab.com, moviearms.com, mptincture.com, mrm2.ca, mrsuperclean.ca, mrudistequipment.com, mscinc.ca, msrinc.com, mss.ca, mountain.com, mtmautoaerospace.com, muiscontrols.com, multiglass.com, multihorizon.ca, multi-machining.ca, murphyair.com, nanohygienics.com, nowtel.com, navadesltd.net, navhouse.com, navtech.aero, nbmc.ca, nca.ca, neaginc.com, nederman.com, nee.ca, nefab.com, netacquire.com, netour.ca/en, networkingforresults.com, newcon-optik.com, newairatool.com, nexiosolutions.com, ngcaerospace.com, ngrain.com, nhsmedia.com, niagaracomposites.com, nicholsontool.com, niedner.com, noranco.com, noraxinduction.com, nordicatools.com, norduyn.com, normacadhesives.com, normanaviation.ca, norstrat.ca, northernc.on.ca, northernmicro.com, northloden.com, northwigtairways.com, norwestprecision.com, noticia.com, novacoding.com, novacommunications.com, novacrystals.ns.ca, novital.com, nowassociates.com, nsec-cnes.ca, nsf.org, number1machining.ca, newtechpm.com, nuvoci.com, nwgo.com, nwplastics.com, newyorktrick.com, opticon.ca, optimus.ca, pacgeo.com, pacificavionics.com, pacificcoastfire.com, pacificranger.com, pacificsupportltd.com, pacaresgru.com, panasys.com, panalpina.com, pbsi.ca, pcel.ca, pcl.com, pcminnovation.com, pdtg.ca, peerless.ca, paygenesis.com, penacon.com/energy, periscopepromotions.com, pgplastics.com, phope.ca, phoenixaviation.ca, photocad.com, pintopackaging.com, pivotechdoors.com, pivot-solutions.ca, placeateco.com, plas-techfab.com, plasticinc.com, plasticsofottawa.com, plasticart.com, plm.automation.siemens.com, pointswestoff.com, polair.com, polvge.com, polyforce.ca, polylabel.com, polymtl.ca/cppm, porcupinecanvas.com, positronics.com, powerhydraulics.ca, ppm2000.com, ppo.ca, prairieaircraft.com, praxair.com, praxium.com, praxistech.com, prechimaxltd.com, precisionaerocomponents.com, precisionautomatic.com, precisionlaserfab.com, precisionspindlelink.com, premierasfixation.ca, premier-gps.com, prevocar.com, primacy.ca, prismhelicopters.com, proceco.com, procom.ca, procontact.ca, prodomax.com, productexchangeservices.com, productionworks.ca, progressiveair.net, progressivetraining.ca, prologisystems.ca, pyromac.bc.ca, promaxes.com, promett.com, promodelbuilders.com, proneq.com, pronto-proto.com, prosperolearning.com, protectolite.com, protectron.com, protectcoatings.com, proto3000.com, protocase.com, prototyperesearch.com, protoxrd.com, provincialaerospace.com, provincialairlines.com, puma-aircraft.com, punchanywhere.com, puppydoodle.biz, pureling.ca, pvconcept.ca, pv-labs.com, pylonelectronics.com, pyrradia.com, pyrogenses.com, pyrophobic.com, pyrotech.com, rozai.ca, racan-carrier.com, ral.ca, ramseygroup.com, rapidcnc.ca, rozakti.com, raymondrf.ca, raymer.com, reachtest.com, reactionmarketing.com, realdbstore.com, recce-robotics.com, reconair.net, redsea.ca, redmobileco.com, redpathtechnicalservices.com, redtreerobotics.com, reasondt.com, reflectivevinyl.com, reginaflyingclub.ca, reinders.ca, recointl.com/concord, resonance.on.ca, restylit.ca, rfmtl.com, rightwaylease.com, rising-sun.ca, rjwest.ca, roadshark.com, robco.com, robertirobotics.com, robinsassociates.com, robotechfab.ca, robsonthermal.com, roche.ca, RockwellCollins.com, Roffin.com, RogueDene.com, ROLLS-ROYCE.com, RomerOceanSolutions.com, Rawsion.com, Rotoconcept.com, RotovacGroup.ca, RoyceMetal.com, RPC.ca, RPMTechGroup.com, RRC.mb.ca, RTIINTL.com, RussoPrecision.com, RUTHERFORD-RESEARCH.ca, RVologyHTingandmasts.com, RWD.com, RWSystems.com, S4TD.ca, SA.Systemx.ca, SafetyClothingCanada.com, SafetyPlusMore.com, SAFRAN-ELECTRONICS.ca, SaffronMBD.com, Saeed.ca, Samuel.com, Sanafafe.com, Sanmina.com, SAP.com, SargentAerospace.ca, Sarvar.com, Sassantech.ca, Satlantic.com, saltcollege.ca, Sovajobolaris.com, sbp-inc.com, scan-conversions.com, scdspro.com, schefold.com, schneider-electric.com, schult.ca, schwankgroup.com, scienceetech-inc.com, sciencesindustries.com, scintrextrace.com, score-group.com, sdi-aviation.com, seabornemfg.com, sealandaviation.com, sealsunlimited.ca, searagetech.com, seaspen.com, seastarsolutions.com, seccmgt.net, seccurifort.com, sed.bz, sephartech.com, sei-ind.com, selecthelicopter.com, sensortech.ca, senseware.com, sentac.ca, sentryprecision.com, searseafire.com, serverobot.com, sgl.com, sgsmallwood.com, shamans.ca, sharkmarine.com, shearwaterresearch.com, shimifres.com, shipping-case.com, shmmarine.com, shockform.com, shoxes.com, cyberg.com, sickmarking.com, secoemindustries.com, siemens.com, sierraspray.com, sigmalogistics.com, siliconebatteries.ca, Celoniex.com, simnetiq.com, simu-k.com/#! homepage/cf9w, simulent.com, ceramprecision.com, sixspartners.com, skookumtools.com, skyhiled.wordpress.com, slcmetrology.ca, smartech.com, smseng.com, snclavalin.com, snc-lavalin.com, snschoolangtech.com, softasystems.com, soggynti.com, solace.ca, solananetworks.com, solidcodesolutions.com, solutionspmg.com, samar.ca, samum.com, sonovisiongroup.com, southport.ca, spaceflight.com, spacemodel.com, spaceball.ca, spatialbridge.com, specialtygaskets.com, Spectral.ca, SpectrumsIgnal.com, SpectrumsEScientl.com, SpeechTech.com, Speedryer.com, S-Pintl.com, SpiraXSarco.com/ca, SpiroLCanada.com, Sporometrics.com, SpotEK.ca, SpringerAerospace.com, Sprint-Aviation.com, Sprung.com, SQM-MFG.ca, SquarePeg.ca, SRNet.com, StabIland.com, StandardAero.com, StandardManufacturers.com, Standins.com, StanMech.com, StanTC.com, StarlinkAviation.com, Stars.ca, StemmerGY.com, StepstoneTechnologies.com, Stevist.com, SDonReuniform.com, SterlingPayments.com, StraightLineComponents.com, StrategicInsights.ca, StratusPlastics.com, Strite.com, Stromagy.ca, Sumar.com, SuperiorHulls.com, SuperNA.net, SubPX.com, SupremeGroup.com, SurvivalZStemsGroup.com, Swissway.ca, SWUnitedCanada.com, SydneyPlus.com, SynergeticsGroup.ca, SYNETIK-DI.com, SYSACOM.com, TacoAntenna.com, TACO-HVAC.com, TaigaHeli.com, TargaSystems.com, TAS.ca, TaurusStampings.com, TaxonWeb.ca, TDMGinc.com, TEMist.com, TECHNICAL-SYS.com, TechnoQTtool.com, TechnoDevelopment.ca, TechnoScientific.com, TechTraining.org, TE-DIRECT.com, TechGear.com, TelaIRElectronique.com, Telesat.com, Tempest.aero, TEMPO-AEROSPACE.com, Tenco.ca, Tenround.com, TerraNovasTeal.ca, TerraProHD.com, TesteriAmericas.com, Tetratech.com, Texel.ca, TFI-AERO.com, ThalesGroup.ca, TheFortressGroup.com/Bastion, TheKioskFactory.com, ThermiTCO.com, THERMO-KINETICS.com, TheSandhopper.com, ThetaTDS.com, ThinkPath.com, ThomesCanada.com, ThomsonPS.com, ThoughtTechnology.com, ThreatReduction.com, ThumbprintSolutions.com, ThunderAir.com, ThunderBayAirport.com, ThunderBayAviation.com, TIL.ca, Timberland.on.ca, TireLiene.com, Titus.com, TMCinc.ca, TME-inc.com, TNB.com, TNWPreciseMachining.com, TopFlightConsulting.ca, Torovap.com, TRACK24DEFENCE.com, Transform9.com, TRC-CANADA.com, Tremcar.com, Trendtech.ca, TerescoConsoles.com, TridentIndustries.ca, TRI-M.com, TremisterMFG.com, TrinityAeroCanada.com, TRIPLE-RRR.com, TristarCoatings.ca, TRL-MICROWAVE.com, TROO.com, TrilanTSF.com, tss.trelleborg.com/us, ttcc.ca, tti-ecm.com, ttltd.com, tube-fab.com, twbdesigns.com, uhnl.nf.ca, ultraliteassembly.com, ultraray.com, ultraspec.qc.ca, umcorp.com, umindesoft.com, unb.ca/cel, underhill.ca, unisys.com, upmax.com, usbscanada.ca, usibec.qc.ca, usinage9002.com, utechsoft.com, valleyarrow.com, valleycompressor.com, valleyhelicopters.ca, valmartdoors.com, vancouverwiredm.com, vanjr.com, velan.com, venables.ca, ventureaviation.ca, verdunanodizing.com, verydisplumbing.com, vertexmaritime.com, vestshell.com, sixbrosystem.com, vicair.net, viconurubibird.com, vih.com, viragesimulation.com, visioncircuits.com, visiontechsystems.com, visionxinc.com, vlx.ca/vlx_home_n.html, vmtechnology.ca, vorm.com, waa.ca, wadeantenna.com, wadetech.com, wajaxpower.com, walleye.ca, wartsila.com, wasaia.com, wasaiapropshop.com, water.arrow, waterlooelectroplating.com, wcam.mb.ca, webermfg.ca, weebitechwireless.com, wedgewindsocks.com, weirindustrialequipment.com, weir-jones.com, weirservices.com, weldco-beales.com, westconcal.com, westconinspection.com, westcrystal.com, westernpropeller.com, westerntruckbody.com, westist.ca, westpier.ca, westrifle.com, whitfieldwelding.com, wickens.com, williamsengineering.com, wilsonmachine.com, windship.com, wipware.com, wnlabs.com, wokebee.com, wolf.ca, woodbridgegroup.com, woodlawninstruments.com, workkingdom.com, workandrescue.ca, warleyparsons.com, wosupply.com, wsbs.ca, x4icorp.com, exact.ca, xanatosmarine.com, xarms.ca, x-cd.com, xhaviation.ca, xtendicel.com, xtronics.ca, xynyouth.com. List of major Canadian aerospace defence companies, no websites. 3M Canada Company, ABB Inc., Aberfoyle Metal Treaters Ltd., ADGA Group, Aeroports de Montréal, Aerospace BizDev, Aerosystems International Inc., Aflair Systems Inc., Augusta Westland, Airbus Group Canada, Airbus Helicopters Canada, Alenia Air Mackie North America, Alpha Casting Inc., Apex Industries Incorporated, Aerospace Division, ASA Alloys/Magna Stainless, divisions of CSM-ULC, ASCO Aerospace Canada Ltd., Corp Industries Inc., Averson Inc., Avion Technologies Inc., Avia Aerospace Systems, Avro Canada, Babcock, Canada.